Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Daraz app or the website and signing in with the account you used to buy the item. Once logged in, go straight to Account, then Orders. This is where Daraz stores purchase records. Make sure you can spot the order by date or price to avoid confusion. If you paid by card, have the confirmation handy. This ensures you land on the correct order page quickly and keeps the next steps focused and accurate. You now tap the specific order to open its details page. That's where Daraz shows shipment info. Once the order opens, look for a shipment section or a view details link. Sometimes it's collapsed. There you'll see the courier name and the tracking number. Copy or screenshot it. If the status says pending or processing, the tracking number might appear later, so check again after a short wait. If you see a tracking link, use it to jump directly to the courier tracking page. You should paste the tracking number into the courier's tracking page or click the Daraz tracking link to follow the parcel's journey. Make sure the number format matches, no extra spaces, and refresh the courier page after a few hours if there's no movement. Transit systems can lag. If tracking never appears or shows error, contact the seller from the order page or open Daraz support with your order ID and payment proof. That step resolves most missing tracking issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.